Galashiels. It's a very Merry Christmas Eve here in Galashiels, Scotland. I thought I'd spend today exploring a bit, but first I'm off to Abbotsford, which is the home of Sir Walter Scott. I'm taking the bridge over the River Tweed. And now I take this lovely country path. This is the edge of the property. You just don't understand how awesome that beard is unless you've tried to grow one. They have Santa Claus inside the witch's corner. I can't even make this stuff up. Okay, I'm at the entrance of Abbotsford. Let's explore. Here is a botanical pavilion and some picturesque countryside. Through the gate, you have a nice walled garden. As you can see, a lot of effort went into building this place, especially the wall. This is supposed to be a statue of Morris, a character from Rob Roy. Brick by brick, the writer of Ivanhoe built this house. Yeah, I wouldn't mind having this as my backyard. Let's go inside the house. This is the entrance hall, and I'm seeing a theme. A sword for giants.
And they're about a particular artifact in the room.
Some nice stained glass. This room is the study, and it has all original books. And a nice desk. This is the library, and along with the study, there's a total of 9,500 books. Some very nice curtains. This is a gaslit crystal chandelier. Some nice harps. And some Chinamen playing Go. Now walking into the armory. Some gargoyles about. An elegant dining room. Walter Scott's grandmother was a Halliburton. Okay, that was it. And yes, they have a cafe here, but I'd rather go into town. Sir Walter Scott with his trusted dog, Maida. Why see the house when you can see the painting? Please exit through the gift shop. All right, now heading back into town. There's a small university here in Galashiels. That's a pretty looking cottage you got there. They have a small skate park here, but check this out. A basketball net above a grass field. In case you don't know what that is, this is a fire station, and that's where firemen practice going up and down buildings. A really old cemetery right in the middle of town. A monument in the middle of the road from 1695. It's about James IV marrying Margaret Tudor. Galashiels Parish Church of Scotland is impressive. And it keeps going on the other side, but I can't get in. Every town in Scotland needs a bowling club. I'm just a big fan of the old buildings. Hey everyone, the clock's right. Good job. Very nice. Want to get something at the coffee tree? Let's do it. Nice seating. A gingerbread latte and a peppermint slice. Cheers.
I mean, unless you can get those and buy an order.
It looks good. Yes, some street art. And it looks like Walter Scott. And we also got a fox. Okay. This is Mac Arts. Obviously it was a church, but now it's a live music venue. A lot of storefront businesses. I know Galashiels is a decent town because it has a Weatherspoon. Yeah, that'll do. Next to the post office is a museum, the Great Tapestry of Scotland. Amazing. It's the history and story of Scotland told through embroidery. 160 embroideries total. It's a must visit. Killeckin. Golf. Wow. Those embroideries were so impressive. This place is absolutely a must visit in Galashiels. Now that's how you build a wall. And I forgot my grappling hook. Communal garden by the railroad tracks. Pretty cool. There's a real small cafe here. I better give it a try. So the place was called Annie's. I got a latte. It doesn't look bad. Okay, there's one more place I want to visit. It's a bit out of town and I want to get there before sunset, but it should be worth it. That's it, up on the hill. Torwoodley Tower. Here's some information about Torwoodley Tower you can pause and read. It does look quite ancient. Well, I understand why they put the tower here. It does have a nice view of the countryside. A falling stones warning. That's no joke. The monument dates back to 1601. Just a piece of ancient history out here in the countryside. You can see the remains of the spiral staircase. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. One lane bridge.